Our first chapter is Introduction to Internet. What is Internet? We all are familiar with the word Internet. Internet is the interconnection of several computers. All the tasks which we perform nowadays are completely dependent on Internet. We do online shopping, online learning, money transfer, even our banking system depends on internet. So internet is the recent technological advancement in the computer world. Internet is not owned by any private company. It is just a public entity. Even though internet provides large number of benefits, there are certain dangers related to internet. That is attacks from hackers and virus attacks and loss of personal data. These are all certain dangers related to internet. So internet is a boon for many and a curse for many. Internet is also called network of networks because internet is formed by connecting two smaller networks and creating a large network, and then further connecting the larger network to another network and creating further larger network. So an internet is formed by connecting a network to another network. So it is called internet is a network of networks. So let us see what is a network. A network is a group of computers connected to each other so that they can share each other's resources and communicate with each other. Whenever we connect our laptop with our mobile phone using USB cable, then it is called the two devices are in a network. When we connect two mobile phones through Bluetooth or infrared, then we can say the two devices are in a network. When we send email to our friend, then the two devices are in a network. So a network is a group of computers connected to each other so that they can share each other's resources. When we visit internet cafes, and you can see there are large number of computers in an internet cafe, but you can see only a single printer. A printer is not attached to every computer present there, but when we give the print command from any of the computer, the single printer will give the printout. How is it possible even if the printer is not connected to each of the computer? A single printer is not attached to every computer, but there is only a single printer and large number of computers. So there is a concept of networking where all the computers are connected to a network and a printer is also connected in that network. Here the printer is a resource that is shared by all the computers. So a network helps us to share the resources and we can send data from one computer to the other. So a network can be used to share each other's resources and communicate with each other. So when we communicate with each other, there is a sender and a receiver. Sender is a device which sends the data, and receiver is a device which receives the data. So, what is a network? What is the internet? Internet is also a network, but it is a larger network. It is also called network of networks. Internet is the means of connecting a computer with another computer anywhere in the world. Internet gets its name from the term interconnected networks. Internet was launched in 1969 by Defense Advanced Research Project Agency called DARPA. Initially, the name of the internet was ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Let us see what are the uses of internet. Internet helps us to share information from any place in the world. Internet is a source of information for education purpose. We can clarify our doubt by looking into the Wikipedia. For any doubts, we can search the Wikipedia. And internet helps us to transfer data faster. And internet helps in communication from one part of the world to the other part. Then by sitting in our home itself, we can do shopping and we can transfer money, we can perform any business activity. Then with the help of internet, downloading and uploading of files is easier. Then there are different types of methods to access the internet. They are dial-up connection, broadband connection and wireless connection. First one is dial-up connection. Dial-up connection uses phone cables for connecting to the internet. It is a slowest type of connection. It uses modem to connect to the internet. It is completely replaced by broadband connections and wireless connections. Let us see what is broadband connection. Broadband connection is the fastest type of connection and it is the recently used connection type. It also requires modem to connect to the internet and it has higher speed in downloading and uploading speed. Next one is wireless connection. As the name itself suggests, we do not need any wires to connect to the internet. It is of three types. They are Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot, WiMAX. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is a popular technology that allows electronic devices such as computers and mobile phones to connect to the internet and exchange data. Then Wi-Fi hotspot. A hotspot is a venue that provides Wi-Fi access. That is, we can create our mobile phones as a Wi-Fi hotspot. When we set up a hotspot, then other devices can access the Wi-Fi provided by the mobile phones. Next is WiMAX. WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. These Wi-Fi uses radio waves, and this WiMAX uses microwaves. Wi-Fi can range only up to few meters, and WiMAX can cover many kilometers, entire city it can cover. Next is advantages of internet. Internet has large number of advantages. That is, we can perform online shoppings, that is buy and sell goods over the internet, and we can download songs, videos, audios, multimedia, movies with the help of internet. And we can check train or railway or bus timings, book tickets, then transfer money, then chat with friends, use social media. All these are possible with the help of internet. Internet has large number of advantages. Even our current e-learning system is based on internet. Then let us see what are the disadvantages. First is virus threats. Internet can cause virus threats to our computer system, and it also raises the problems with hackers. Then there is a chance of loss of personal information, and large addiction to the internet is bad for one's mental ability.